YouTube creators, the game just changed. Forget complex timelines. Today, we're mastering Google Vids, the new AI editor. First things first, let's dive in. To start, just type vids.new into your browser. Click that and type your prompt. Hit next. Stock footage is great, but unique AI video is better. On the right-hand panel, you'll see the Veo 3.1 icon. This is Google's latest video generation. Now, let's talk audio. You don't even need a microphone. Under the Audio tab, you can use the built-in AI voiceover. Editing in Vids feels like Google Slides. To change a scene's duration, just grab the blue handles on the timeline and drag. For music, click the... One of the best parts of being in the Google ecosystem is collaboration. Just like a doc, click Share. You can invite your scriptwriter or editor. Ready for the world to see it? You don't even have to download a huge file to your computer. Go to File, Export to YouTube. Vids will process the file and upload. Open vids.new. For storyboarding, select Help Me Create with Gemini. For B-roll, utilize Veo